Hurry up. Bill Gerrard is around here somewhere. Oh.
Yeah, oh.
Where is he? Oh.
Hide behind the door and shoot him when he comes in.
You don't have any bullets for this, do you?
Shotgun behind the bar.
As Wichita falls, so falls Wichita Falls. I like that. I'm gonna give your pussy whip pal Argless another 15 minutes to rescue your sweet ass. After which time I'm going to assume his brain overruled his pecker.
Well, Bill, that's just not enough time. He lives way across town.
Yeah, well, that's your bad luck. I should be home in Kansas City watching my kids open their Christmas presents. Now I gotta waste the whole fucking day looking for that nitwit.
I'll never understand lawyers. I mean, here they've got a license to steal from the general public, all legal and above board, but is that enough? Fuck no! They gotta steal from their friends. Anybody but a fucking lawyer would consider the consequences, right? That I would, for an absolute certainty,
Castrate that son of a bitch with a thumb.
and that would give a normal person pause, but not a lawyer. It defies the imagination, you know? How a woman like you could throw in with a couple of fart hammers like Kavanaugh and Arglist. Kavanaugh, he doesn't have the brains to pull off something like this. And Arglist, he didn't have the guts. Maybe that's where you came in, huh? What did you do? Did you encourage them both? Suppose you do luck out and you get clear of Wichita with all that money. At some point, you're gonna have to get rid of at least one of the Peckwoods. And then what do you got? A dick with no brain? Or a brain with no dick?
You know what, Bill? You seem awfully tense. And I have this idea of what might help you relax.
You do, huh? That you, Arglist?
Drop the gun. Step away from the desk and put your hands up.
Charlie, don't be a fucking idiot. You've been watching too many stupid old movies. Why would I drop my gun?
I don't know, Bill. Because I got a big fucking shotgun and I'll blow your head off.
Well, if you could do that, you'd be me and I'd be a pissant lawyer with a case of the shakes.
Jesus, Charlie, just shoot him!
If he was gonna pull the trigger, he'd have done it when he came through the door, girlie. It's something they don't teach you in law school. Which is a shame, because...
Get his gun, Charlie. Get his gun.
He's dead, Renata.
Fuck, he is. Sidney loads up with birdshot.
Why would he